guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reika. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you are not new, then we already know each other. I love you guys so much and just thank you for rocking with me. So today in this video, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a Luvme hair review. I already have my bonnet. I already have my my cap on. You know when I pull out this purple box, it's about to go down. I am obsessed with Luvme hair. Shout out to you guys for sending me this unit. I cannot wait to review it for you. So let's just jump into the box. Okay, so inside the box, you get lots of goodies. You get a little travel case that comes with so many things. You get a Luvme headscarf. You get a baby hair brush. It also comes with a comb on the other side. You have an elastic band. We have a Luvme hair clip, some bobby pins, one of my favorite things that we do get, and some handy dandy tweezers, you know, if you need to pluck that hairline. Also inside, we have headbands, and then we have a wig cap that comes with two. And then you have the bag that has the hair. So let's open that up. So this is a headband wig. Oh, she's so beautiful. I cannot get over how soft Luvme hair is, because every single time I pull a get your words together, girl. Every time I pull my hair from the bag, it is so soft. I cannot get enough of just like running my hands through it. Look at those, like the natural body wave to it. So this is a body wave wig. She is a high density wig as well, so she's pretty full. Let's look at the construction. So I love that their wigs come with the simple black headband, and it's such a really nice material, so it's not going to like get dull or just like go bad. And then it has the elastic. So we have one hair comb in the front, you have two hair combs on the sides, and then you have another one that's in the nape. The head cap is pretty stretchy, so if your head is a little bit on the bigger side, it will stretch. And then if your head is on the smaller side, the cool thing is you have the headband part that will help secure it a little bit more. But yeah, she's so cute. She's so soft. I love it. But yeah, let's just jump straight into trying her on, because I don't like to see myself looking like this. Okay, so we are going to put on the wig. Also, guys, let's not pay attention to my makeup. I'm doing this recreation from this makeup look that I saw yesterday, so that's why my makeup is like I'm actually doing that after this. So yeah, I'm gonna put on the wig. I don't know if you guys have ever put one on before, but you want to make sure you put the back comb in first. That's what I like to do. And then I do the two side ones. Ooh, she is secured, honey. I just feel so small on my head. Okay, now that I have all my combs in place, I then wrap the headband around. And I secure it as tight as it can go. And I do believe this is in the shade 1B. And I'm just going to run my hands through it to untangle it. Oh, she's so pretty. Wow, she's so pretty. So it comes down to like my boobs. I'm just gonna push the headband back a little bit. We are going to throw on, let's throw on the cheetah print headband. Oh, my eyes. I forgot I got this red. Yeah, so we're gonna do the cheetah print because none of the other headbands match. But you do have multiple headband colors. You have this one, this guy, this guy, this guy. You pretty much get all the exact same headbands. I have like probably like 4 sets of the exact same ones. So let me just throw this on real quick and we'll be right back. And this is what she looks like. Oh, I don't know why, but I get so excited when it comes to headband wigs. It's just the fact that all you have to do is just throw it on and go. Like if you want to beat your face, that takes so much time. Then you have to pick out your outfit, it takes so much time. Normally when you comb your hair, it takes so much time. But with a headband wig, it is so easy and it's just so easy. And you get everything done so fast. I love it. I love this wig. When I tell y'all this hair is so soft, this is gonna be my new favorite headband wig, that curly one that you guys are all loving so much. She's still my favorite. I still wear her everywhere I go, but now that this one is like straight, not straight, but like body wave, I feel like this is gonna give me such a bomb picture for Easter when I take my Easter Sunday pics. Let me show you guys what she looks like in the back. Do y'all see the movements? Like, baby. Oh. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me. Like, the fact that their name goes so perfect with their products, I cannot stress to you guys enough how amazing their wigs are. Like, I love their wigs. Hands down, probably my favorite wigs to date. And that's a very big claim. But yes, these are my favorite wigs. What could we do? I'm gonna do some hairstyles for you guys. I'm not going to change my headband because I don't have any other headbands that are going to match this at the moment. But yeah, let's do some different hairstyles. I'll be right back. And look at that. We have a high ponytail. She is so cute. Yes, for this Ariana Grande moment. You know, for the nights where you just want like all the hair out of your face and you just want like that snatched ponytail. Oh, yes. You could do a bun. Let's see what she looks like with a bun. You know, you just want to go to the gym, work out, throw a bun in the hair. You still want to look kind of cute because, you know, when you go to the gym, you can find you a man. You got to maximize those opportunities, okay? So you can go to the gym, you could look cute, get you a man. Hey, you got to do it. You got to figure out ways to do it now because with everything being closed, I mean, I live in Florida, so everything's open. So we don't really have those types of problems. I feel like we should, but we don't. That's a whole nother topic. But yeah, like, she's so cute. What else could we do? What else could we do right now? Let's see. Yeah, no, it just would not be a proper headband tutorial if I didn't do half up, half down. It just would not, because she is my favorite. I feel so girly, so sexy, so cute when I do half up, half down. I love it. Oh, you can straighten the hair. You can wand the hair to give you even bigger curls. But yes, I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you to Luvme for sending us this unit. I'm obsessed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.